In this video, let me show you how to fix Snapchat device ban. Now for some reason, if this is the issue with you currently, the first thing that you can do immediately is to reinstall the application of Snapchat. So what you can do is just uninstall the application from your device and make sure you re-download it. This ensures that you clear out your phone's cache, and once you download, you can also get the latest version of the Snapchat application. So once you do this first step, try to see if this fixes the issue. If it still does not, the second thing that you can try out is try to toggle on and toggle off your airplane mode, as well as try to restart your router. So by doing these few steps, you should be able to fix this issue. But however, if the issue still persists, then what you can try out is try to appeal this decision. So if your device was banned, you'll be able to see the option called appeal decision. You can just tap on this button and make sure you add in the exact information or the exact situation that you are in currently. So you'll be taken to the form where you'll need to fill in some information such as your username and a bunch of other information. So you'll need to use this form to explain that you are receiving a device ban. Now in some cases, what happens, you also may get this situation where you get the exact code of the ban. But if you get other codes such as SS018 or SS06, they may be long-term bans. They may take up some time before the ban is lifted. So the best way for you to recover your account or recover your device is going to be to appeal this decision. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you in the next video.